Manufacturing is all about maximizing customer value. Issues that become obvious, such as an order being late, often indicate larger underlying problems far worse than the time lost in tracking things down. The reasons for the delay might be due to poor scheduling, lack of coordination among workers, incomplete work instructions, deferred maintenance, machines being too old, or underreporting of defects, among many others. Instead of getting stuff done, many factory managers are constantly busy fighting fires. Introducing Optio. Optio digitizes the flow of materials and information, allowing real-time management of the factory floor. Dashboards allow workers and supervisors to track their progress and communicate with each other. Workstations and their associated work in process can be seen at a glance, making it easy to see where an order is and its remaining lead time. To solve the root causes, Optio allows work instructions to be added to digital Kanban cards, custom report buttons to report defects and improve preventative maintenance, measure cycle time and overall equipment effectiveness to identify which machines and processes can be improved to increase ROI. Where there has been a lot of work in process and confusion, now flow can emerge. Get in touch now to set up a demo and explore the easy-to-use tools that will help you to see clearly what is going on your manufacturing floor and maximize customer value.